Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Darren. So if you are looking for some site or app in which you can earn money without investment, so you are in the correct forum. I'm here talking about a website name is Y Finance Network. The site is very interesting and you can earn money without any investment. So just let's start the video. Friends, first of all, you have to open your Chrome browser or Google browser or anyone which you have. You have to write yfinance.network. So just click on enter button. As you can see, there are number of sites, but you have to choose the first one, the right one. Yeah, this is Y Finance Network. Just click on it. As you can see, there are two buttons, login or registration. It's the interface of site, so you have to click on the registration button. Just click on it and go ahead. Here is the registration form. As you can see, it's a proper registration form. You have to fill it, your first name, last name, username, your email, your code, address and your country, and please don't forget to enter the correct phone number, the correct code of your phone number. Okay, just choose the correct one. Similarly, you have to choose your country name and then click on I'm not a robot. It's a captcha and you have to fill it. Now sign up with your email, the email which you have given while creating your account. Just enter your email and password and hit the continue button. It's your dashboard of your account. Right now you are a member of Y Finance Network. It's all the other information about token distribution and your total supply, contract, platform, token name, all the information of Y Finance Network. So you have to click on the second one option, that is deposit. Just click on it. Here is the box in which you have to enter the amount you want to deposit. Okay, the payment method will automatically selected by the network, so you just have to enter the amount you want to invest and hit the deposit button. Here is further deposit history of your account, like your account, payment method, date and all the things. Again, click on the upper right corner, click on three lines and go on the option buy by FN. It's basically an option having different states: state 1, state 2, state 3, state 4 and state 5. You have to read these states and you can see there is amount, price, time, etc. Now again click on the button place bet, option place bet. It's an option that is very interesting option. So it is the option in which you can place a bet on your amount. So again click on the 3 points, 3 lines and hit the option exchange. It's a option in which you can exchange your money in Bitcoin, in any currency in which you want to exchange. Time to open the trading floor. It has also a timer, as well as there was a timer in place bet option. So you have to click on the option, now the right one, commission. It's a very interesting option and it is a very beneficial option. It has a commission. If you share the link of the site with your friends, you can get the commission on it. So share link as much as you can and get commission on it. It's a very beneficial option. You must try it. Here is the last option in this site, that is withdraw option, and just click on this option. You can see there is balance system, total withdraw, and there is a box in which you have to enter the amount you earned. So just put that amount and give the amount number and you can withdraw your amount. Just click on confirm. Here is withdraw history, also your account coin, and as well as coin description. Just fill these options and status. So click on confirm button and you can avail your earn money. So it's a site in which you can earn more money. Here is a suggestion for you guys. You should visit this site for your bright future. Thank you for watching. Take care.